Good day. This is the 12th video tutorial on Designer program. In today's lesson, we will analyze the live mode of operation, which allows you to trade in real time. To start working in real trading mode, we need to set up a connection with real trading. The connection can be directly with the trading board and can also be configured via the selected terminal. To connect to trading, select the Connection Settings section at the top of the screen. In the menu that opens, click on plus in order to add a connection. We will connect via the Quick terminal. Find it using the search bar. Quick connects via two connections, transactional and market data. Select both. You can add multiple connections at once and work with them. After that, we will check the connection by clicking on the check button. As we see, the connection is established, and click OK. At the top of the screen, click on the connection button and establish a connection. For an example of working in live mode, we have chosen a strategy from Lesson 3. Select it, and for clarity of trading, we will make additions by changing the time frame from 10 minutes to 1 minute. To do this, go to the settings of the candle cube and set a new time frame. In order to work with strategies in real time, you need to add them to the appropriate mode. This can be done in two ways. You must select a strategy, and on the Common tab, select the Live mode. After that, the strategy will appear in the Live section in the strategy tree. Method 2. Right-click on the strategy name. And in the drop-down menu, select the Live item. The second strategy will also be displayed in the Live section. Thus, you can add the number of different strategies the user needs to work on the board. We've added one strategy twice to be able to work on two instruments. Using one strategy. Select the first strategy and start preparing for work. For the strategy to work, we will select an instrument. In our case, these are Cyberbank shares. Since the instrument is a stock market instrument, then we will select the corresponding portfolio for it from the list of portfolios. Click OK. So, we have configured the strategy parameters, and let's run it in live mode. Click on the Start button. This mode of strategy operation is called warming up the strategy. In this mode, the strategy loads the available market data, adjusts the work, adapts to the market conditions. After warming up the strategy, the trader's task is to catch the moment at which it is necessary to join the trade. In the warming up mode, orders are not registered and trading is not carried out. However, candles are built and you can track their change. As you can see from the candle chart, the candles are built ready-made, which is not very convenient for trading. Since it is impossible to track the change without the period, stop the strategy. This is due to the fact that the only formed mode is set in the candle cube settings, in which the candles are drawn already formed. To change this mode, we need to uncheck the box in the cube settings. To do this, let's return to our strategy, and in the candle cube settings, uncheck this box. After that, you need again specify the instrument and portfolio for the first schema in live mode. After that, you need to start the mode by pressing the Start button. Let's move on to the extreme candles of the chart. As you can see, the candle changes its state in the time frame period according to the price change in the market. Set up the second schema by assigning VTB shares instrument. Also, assign a portfolio and run the strategy. As in the previous case, the strategy started working in the warm-up mode by building candles according to market data, and building new candles according to the data received from the Quick terminal. For the convenience of managing and tracking the results of strategies in live mode, the following mode is implemented in the program. go to the Common tab, and in it, select the Live tab. In the window that appears, all the strategies in the Real-Time section are displayed. Also, all the necessary instruments for managing them are implemented here. The Work Statistics sections are displayed. The ability to select an instrument and a portfolio of strategies has been implemented. The window displays positions and orders of working strategies. The profit and loss chart, as well as errors that occur during the strategy operation, are displayed. That is, the main statistics of the strategies for flexible and convenient work management are presented. At the moment, our strategies are running in warm-up mode. To start trading strategies, you need to click on the Trade button at the top of the Strategies window, after which trading will begin. Or check the box in the Trade column in the Strategy Management window. Both methods start the trading strategy, and two start options are implemented for user convenience. After the start of the trades, statistics indicators will begin to change, and this will be displayed in the Control window. In the course of trading, it is important to understand that risks often arise during the strategy operation, which can lead to a loss for the trader. To reduce risks, the program has the ability to set additional parameters, which reduce these risks. To set them, go to the Strategy Settings tab and select the Risk section. In the window that appears, the user can set the conditions upon the occurrence of which trading will be stopped. To do this, click on the button and select the Condition Imposition option from the drop-down list. For example, profit and loss. Click on the plus to add the condition. Select the parameter in the window. Set the value -10%. That is, when a loss of 10% occurs, trading will be stopped. Or, for example, the price parameter at which trading will be stopped, as well as other risk parameters. Thus, the program fully implements the real-time trading mode. It allows the user to manage the work of strategies in many-sided and flexible ways, configure the necessary connections, manage potential risks, promptly intervene in the work of strategies, adjust them to the emerging market conditions. The ability to trade on different instruments and strategies at the same time allows you to increase your profit. That's all. Thanks. Goodbye.